Hey there, it's Munir, your WinCC OA consultant. Welcome to the final episode of our security video series. So, you've got a taste of our WinCC OA security concept and the methods we use to exceed cybersecurity standards. Feeling like you want to dive deeper? That's fantastic. We highly recommend our WinCC OA Security Workshop. This 4-day workshop is perfect for WinCC OA certified engineers who want to gain the technical expertise and skills needed to use WinCC OA in a secure network environment. Just as described in our WinCC OA security guideline. The training is all about teaching you how to make your WinCC OA project as secure as possible, and it's offered every quarter. Now, you might be wondering, will I become an IT security expert after this training? Well, while the IT security is covered, the main goal of the training is to help you master WinCC OA security methods. You can find a detailed course description of WinCC OA trainings on our WinCC OA portal, winccoa.com/training. There, you will find our training schedule and the training request form. Registered users can book the course directly in the Siemens Industry Mall. I hope I sparked your interest in learning more about the security features in WinCC OA. Don't forget, security is a journey, not a destination, so it's important to keep up with the latest practice. Thank you for watching. Please follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube for more WinCC OA updates. Stay safe. Don't forget to grow your plant with WinCC OA. Cheers, Munir. Bye.